Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. In this video, we will talk about how to fish a wire down a wall. If you have two guys, it is super easy. One guy up top, one down below. The guy below lightly taps on the ceiling of where the wire needs to go down. Then the guy up top finds the sound, clears any insulation out of the way to find the top plate, and then drills. The guy below should already have his hole cut where the outlet or switch is going. That way he can look for wood chips that will fall down from drilling the hole. If he doesn't see any wood chips, then the guy up top may be drilling in the wrong stud cavity. But what if you're there by yourself? There are a couple of tricks you can do. One, you can stick a small screwdriver up through the ceiling, then strip off a long piece of wire and shove it up in the hole. Now you have something to find when you're up in the attic. You can easily put a small dab of caulk in this hole and no one will ever notice. You need to also look at what's around you. Are there any AC vents that you can reference when you are up there? Are you near a bathroom where you can see the vent? Or any recessed cans you can reference? There are all kinds of things to make it easier to find your spot to drill down. Once your hole is drilled, use a fish stick to tape the wire onto. When you are taping the wire onto the fish stick, leave a tail so it's easier to take the tape off. Then shove it down the hole. Then all you do is go back down and grab the fish stick and pull out the wire. Make sure you're not just randomly drilling holes in places. I've been surprised at how many times I've seen that. You've got to have a basic understanding of construction, I guess. Just know that you have to find the top plate to drill down. Like or subscribe to our page for a link to 150 more videos.